What's your ingredients?
Baking powder, salt, two cups of flour, evaporated milk, water, vinegar, vanilla extract, vegetable oil, 2 eggs.
It's 1 egg only, love. Okay. Who will do the wet ingredients?
Me?
No, it's Vincent, love. You will mix all together. Okay? So you put that milk, the evaporated milk, in the bowl, Vincent. Slowly, don't spill, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. And then slowly put the vinegar. Yeah. Slowly. Yeah. And then slowly mix. Slowly, okay? Slowly, love. It will form. If you can see, it will be like a sour cream. Slowly. Okay. And then you will add, slowly, love. You will add the egg. Come on.
Okay.
And slowly, okay? You have to mix them all together. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Keep doing it. Yeah. You're right. Keep doing it. And then, are you sure it's already mixed? Slowly,
No,
love.
okay.
Slowly, slowly. And you can hold the bowl so it won't fall, won't spill.
I think it's ready.
And if it's ready, then you add the vegetable oil. Yep. And keep mixing, love. Vera, I want you to measure a teaspoon of vanilla. You get a teaspoon, even it here, even the spoon. Come on, this teaspoon.
Like this?
Okay, yeah. You have to put the teaspoon there. You have to help your kuya. A teaspoon of, yeah. No, just in the, near the bowl of kuya. Come on.
Yeah, but what if
Yeah. No, it's okay. Slowly. Vincent, stop mixing first. Okay, you put it in kuya's. Yes, good girl. Okay, you close that. Good girl. And then set it aside first. We'll just put the water later on. Now, Venice, you'll do the dry ingredients. Come on, you sift them all. You put the flour. 2 flours. Yeah. Yeah. Don't be careful. You put it down first before you do that so you won't break anything. Come on, keep doing it. And then put the other one. Put it down first. Put it down. Put it, yeah. And then, no, you put the other ingredients, the baking powder and the salt.
Okay.
Put it first. Put it first. Yeah, put it, yeah. And the other one. Not too high. Should be a little bit lower so it won't be in your face again. Yes. Now, keep sifting. Keep sifting. Slowly. Slowly. Okay. Okay, that's it. That's it, yeah. And then, Vincent or Vera, I want you to do the mixing, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Vera, you have to mix them together. Vera, you're only going to put a little hole in the wet ingredients. Put a little hole. You hold that spatula properly. Then, Vera, hold it properly. Put in the middle a hole so you can put the wet ingredients inside. And then Vince, no, Vincent, you help. You put the wet ingredients in the middle. Come on,
Okay.
slowly. All. And then Vera, keep mixing slowly. You can hold the bowl, yeah. Yeah, keep doing. One direction only. Yeah, like that. Keep doing it. Come on, keep doing it. Have patience. If you have difficulty, you can add more water. There's water there. Venice can put the water if it's getting tough. Yeah, keep doing it. Same direction, Vera. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Venice, can you put the water now?
Okay. You mean all of it?
All of it, of course. Okay, keep mixing. Keep mixing. That's only water. Okay. Vera, keep mixing. Come on, keep mixing. What do you think it is now?
It's
Good.
It's
Okay.
dough, maybe.
So let it rest for a few minutes, okay? You stop now.
Okay. As well as boiling dough.
And let it rise. It will rise later on. Okay. Now we're cooking. Make sure, Vincent, that it won't burn, okay?
Okay, how would I know if it's
It's if it's brown. I put it in the medium to high. It's just medium. Because I just want to make sure it won't burn, okay? Now be careful. It's already brownish. Yeah, be careful. Yeah. Yeah. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy. You're doing great. Okay. So, Vince, put it down. I just want you to cut it. I'll do this, okay? Okay, Venice. Venice. Come on, Venice.
You know what?
You hold this. Come on, come. You hold this. So, make sure that you video mama. Vince, come help mama. This one. Yeah, this one. Okay, cut.
cut?
You cut, okay? Wait, what? Wait.
Now?
Cut. One more.
What? Do that. Go away.
Cut. Properly. Wait. Okay, cut. Wait. Cut. One more. Okay, we'll do one more. Okay. Okay. Put this aside. Our toppings or fillings are ready. I have hazelnuts,
No.
roasted hazelnuts, cinnamon and sugar, melted chocolate. This is I think this is cream cheese.
No, it's a
And
cream.
this is honey glazed,
there.
Oreo, and this sprinkles, star sprinkles.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, we'll do it later, okay?
Okay. Are we done?
Here's our mini donuts with lots of sprinkles and toppings and fillings.
Let's on beer.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. You do your own design, but make sure you don't spill, okay?
Okay.
Okay. What do you want, Vans? You use that. Come on.